Hello guys, today I will show you how to download 4K wallpapers for free. Some people download wallpapers from Google but their quality is not good. So here are top 3 websites for any wallpaper for free in 4K quality. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
To the summer of love.
All links in the description. First of all, go to Google. There are 3 websites I will be showing you. Number 1, Pexels. In this website you can download any wallpaper, background, and many more. Number 2, Wallpaper Cave. In this website you can download any wallpaper of games and many more for free in 4K quality. Number 3, Zedge. In this website you can download any wallpaper for your smartphone and you can also download ringtones for your smartphone. So there are the 3 best website for free wallpaper and ringtones. Hope you like the video and comment down below about how the video was. Thanks for watching. Please support my YouTube channel for more videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.